Heavy rain and strong winds began moving through Lexington about 9 o'clock tonight, and it didn't take long to cause some damage and leave some roads covered in high water. Monique Blair continues our live First Alert weather team coverage from the Masterson Station neighborhood. Monique?
Well, Sam, I'm out here on Lucille Drive in the Masterson Station area. I'm actually sitting in my car because the rain is just coming down so hard. You can see the water is very high out here. It was even coming past my ankle. Now, just about a half hour ago, firefighters rescued an adult and 2 children who were trapped in a car just down the road from where I was standing. The water was so high we couldn't even get a close view of that rescue. But the fire department tells me the water was coming in through the bottom of the doors of that car. Firefighters carried the 3 people and nobody was hurt or transported to the hospital. Now, this wasn't the only place that was affected in the city after the rain started coming down very hard more than an hour ago. Emergency crews were out at East Main Street and Clay Avenue for a little while tonight, checking out an electrical pole that was leaning quite extensively, but it didn't appear anyone lost their power because of that leaning pole. And at one point we heard reports of high water at the corner of Richmond Road and Sherman Avenue, and also at East New Circle and Young Drive, but once we checked those spots out, the water was down. The parking lot of Home Depot on Richmond Road was also partially covered in water when we drove by, but it didn't affect anyone because the store was closed. Now again, I'm out here on Lucille Drive. I'm sitting in the car because the rain is coming down very hard. We're out here in the Masterson Station area, and again, the water is very high. Right before my live shot, we saw a different car get stuck just to the left of where I was standing, but someone was able to push that car through to drier land. And you can see out here now, police have recently blocked off a portion of Lucille Drive. I'm reporting live in Lexington. Monique Blair, WKYT.
Okay, Monique, be safe out there. Great pictures showing you how intense that rain is. Now, in Pendleton County, 3 people had to be rescued after their mobile home was blown down a hillside during a storm. It happened in the Butler community. Police say the 3 people were taken to the hospital with minor injuries. Damage was also reported in neighboring Grant County. We found some downed tree limbs and other debris there across a stretch of Highway 25 near Williamstown.